One good pattern, and I can knit for the whole family. So why must my granddaughter start from scratch for every product and every country when one video wins and she needs it everywhere? But her team begins again for every product and every country. A new shoot, a new edit, 3 weeks, repeated. Is a global rollout really meant to take a whole quarter? Until she turns to Quickads, prove a single master video, then change the product, the language, and the wording to produce a version for every market and every SKU in the same week. Prove one master video, auto-localized language, on-screen text and product per market and SKU. Same week batch export to every placement. One master, every market, every SKU. One pattern, the whole family, the whole world. Every grandchild in every country sorted. Now they have no excuse not to call.